So chemical changes are not always some big explosion or a gas created or something like that. But when we do have a chemical change, usually a new substance has been created. So this is a fun one you can do probably with stuff you already have around the house. So I've got a half a cup of milk, just regular old milk from the refrigerator. And you'll notice it's got a little bit of steam. I did heat it up. This works a little bit faster if you heat the milk. So I popped it in the microwave for like 45 seconds or so. So milk is a base. And so I've got some milk in here. What I'm going to add is vinegar. Vinegar is an acid. So vinegar reacts, obviously, as you've seen from our other experiments, with a lot of different substances. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to my milk. There's 1. There's 2. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom in so okay, so I'm going to start stirring my mixture. Sorry, I thought I paused. You had to see my transition. Here we go. Fair warning, this smells really terrible when you do it. Okay, I'm going to stir, stir, stir. So what I'm adding now is mechanical energy. So usually for some sort of a chemical change to happen, there has to be some sort of energy, either heat. So I did heat the milk, so there was some heat energy helping out here. And then mechanical energy is energy in motion. So I'm stirring, stirring, stirring. Okay. I think I'm going to have to add a little bit more vinegar. Maybe I didn't measure my milk very well. So add 1 more tablespoon of vinegar. Oh, this is going to be great. Okay. Stir, stir, stir. Okay, so I'm going to keep stirring. Okay, so I've been stirring for a whole minute now, applying all that mechanical energy. And now I'm going to take my milk vinegar mixture and I'm going to pour it through a strainer. So this strainer. I'm just trying to get as much of the liquid out as I can. Okay, so there's what's left over of my liquid. I'm going to put that to the side. And here is the new substance that I created. And it actually will harden into a solid. So if you kind of squeeze as much more of the liquid out of it as you can mold it into a shape. And when it hardens into kind of like a solid. You could paint it or make a craft out of it or whatever. But example of a chemical reaction. So this reaction cannot be reversed. I cannot take the substance that I created by mixing milk and vinegar and ever get back milk or vinegar from it. It's created a new substance. So it's taken 2 liquids and made a solid. And again, once this dries out, which is really cool, it's going to be really solid. It'll be almost the same consistency of plastic.